there are two species of crocodiles, or two kinds of crocodiles in the Philippines. But all over the world, there are about 23 species in the family Crocodilidae, and divided or distributed into 3 subfamilies. And only 2 of these creatures are really found in the country. Crocodiles are wild species, but when their habitats are cleared, they come in contact with human communities, and they may take, since they are carnivores, they may take domestic animals. And that is the time when they become enemies of man. We must remember that crocodiles do us a lot of benefits. When they grow that big, they also take in a lot of food. And the waste from this food are circulated in the water in which they live and actually serve as fertilizers for the lakes. And that's why they produce more fish. I believe that crocodiles are very helpful to man. And that is why the conservation of crocodiles is very much needed in our country.